Hello, beautiful ones. Today I'm going to be talking about what's going on with the sun. There's so much going on that I don't have enough time to cover, but if you want more information, please feel free to look at some of my other videos where I talk about current sun activity. So since the 28th, I have counted 42 geomagnetic storms. Now, what are geomagnetic storms? Geomagnetic storms are disturbances in the Earth's magnetic field that usually come from the sun, and that will send highly charged particles like protons and plasma. Doesn't just affect our planet, it affects the whole solar system, and it also affects every living creature on this planet. So you could be noticing some behavioral changes with your pets. You yourself could be feeling the effects of these storms. We have also had multiple CMEs. We have had lots of solar flares. As I have explained in the past, the sun is going through its active phase, and so that's partially what's happening. But what's also happening is that we are moving through a part in space where there is a lot of plasma, where there is more highly charged particles, which then affect the sun, which then affects the earth, which then affects us. So it's like a chain reaction. The positive aspect of this is that we receive higher light codes, which can then modify or upgrade our DNA. It does have an effect on our electromagnetic field, meaning that we ourselves are bioelectric beings. So it does have an effect on our field, and it has an effect on our brain waves, on our heart waves. It has an effect on our nervous system. It has an effect on our digestive system. We're not just physical bodies, we also have emotional bodies, and we have other bodies too that can be affected by this. So we may be feeling this and not realizing why we're feeling funny, or why we can't sleep, or why all we want to do is sleep. Really depends on the individual and where you're at, how healthy you are, what things you still need to work through. The other consequence of some of this activity is that it increases volcanic and earthquake activity. So for example, since 28th, I have counted 25 earthquakes that are over 5 magnitude. We also have some eruptions going on, Mount Etna in Italy. We have another volcano in the Philippines and another one in Japan. Japan has actually had a big earthquake too. So we're gonna see that increasing. The sun may calm down, give us a little bit of a break, but until then, I have tips for you guys that I recommend taking care of your nervous system, doing energy work that will move your energy, Qigong, yoga, Tai Chi, breathing exercises, meditation, taking naps when you need to, and there's herbal supplements that you can take to help you that I will list on here too. So take care of yourselves, you guys. It's not an easy time for a lot of us, and so just, if you need to see a doctor, feel free to see a doctor. Check in with your body. If you need to rest, whatever your body needs, it will let you know, okay? Take care.